Behold the beauty of a balanced meal plan. Day 3 of our 60-day journey to superior health. The Balanced Meal Plan, your blueprint to nutrition, ensuring the right mix of nutrients for your health and fitness goals. Imagine a plate divided into 3. Protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein, the architect of your body, building and repairing tissues. Carbohydrates, the fuel for your daily grind, powering your workouts. And healthy fats, the unsung heroes supporting brain function and hormone production. Now, let's paint this plate with variety. Grilled chicken breast for protein, a hearty scoop of quinoa for carbohydrates, and a generous drizzle of olive oil on sautéed vegetables for healthy fats. Portion control is key. Your hand, a natural measuring tool, a palm for protein, a fist for carbs, and a thumb for fats. Remember, hydration is just as important. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day. By mastering the balanced meal plan and portion sizes, you're well on your way to health and fitness success. Stay tuned for tomorrow's chapter, where we'll explore beginner-friendly home workout routines. Until then, fuel your journey to greatness.